Hello, this is Mrs. Bose. Let's take a look at how we can use AutoDraw. The first step is I'm going to open Class Link. That's the app with the cloud on it, because I want to get to the Schoology app. So I've already gone to Schoology and I want to make sure I'm in the right course. So I'm going to go into the first grade Media Center course. And let's take a look here. Today's lesson. That's where we always want to start. When we take a look at today's lesson, we see we're going to read a book, and then it says we're going to draw using this app, AutoDraw, this arrow pointing to it right here. So I'm going to click on the app, and when it opens up, I have two choices, start drawing or a fast how-to. I'm actually giving you this how-to video right now, but you're welcome to watch that. But I'm going to click green, start drawing. And right down here, this is my tool. So this pencil that has kind of like the sparkles around it, it's called AutoDraw because it's like a magic pencil. It's going to automatically try to guess what I'm drawing. I can draw shapes, I can fill them in with color, I can type words, I can just draw freehand anything I want, and then I can select things to resize them or move them around my screen. Over here you see there's a blue dot. I'm actually going to change my color to black to start out with. So I'm going to choose black because that means anything I draw will be a black outline. And I do want the magic pencil or the auto draw. So I'm going to try to draw a rainbow. And I go across like that and it tries to guess and it's saying, is Mrs. Bose trying to draw a rainbow? And there's a few different ones. I'm going to tap. I can tap and look at each one. Each time I tap, it shows me the different rainbows. So I like this one. And what I'm going to do now is I want these parts of my rainbow to be colored in with different colors. So remember that circle over here? That's why I wanted a black outline, but you can use any one you like. Now I'm going to choose red, but I have to change my pencil over here to this paint can that says fill, because I want to fill in this first one with red. Then I want to stay on the paint can, but over here I'm going to choose, sometimes we make mistakes. I meant to choose yellow and look what I did. I filled in the whole background with red. So I have to click this little arrow, undo. That helps me out. It's like, uh-oh, I made a mistake. We all make mistakes sometimes, so that button helps us. Now I can color this one in yellow. I'm going to choose green. And then my final part, I'm going to choose blue. So now I have a rainbow started, and I can draw other things around it. So you know how to draw. You can use either the auto draw or the drawing. Remember I said select is kind of cool because let's just say I want to make my rainbow smaller or bigger, or this little one kind of lets me rotate it. That's kind of cool. So you can do that if you want. Also, there's a trash can. I can select something and say, get rid of it, but I want my rainbow there, so I'm going to bring it back. Let's look at one last tool. And that one is the T for typing or for text. I want to put some text at the top, so I have to choose the T. I make sure the T's down here, and then I tap my screen. I can put my name. And it's also fun to start practicing making some sentences too. So maybe down at the bottom, I'm going to keep typing, and let's see, where did that go? I think I didn't tap in a spot, so I have to go back to the T, tap under my rainbow, and I'm going to write I. Oh, it already did make the I. So if that happens, sometimes we have to use the delete. That's just this button right here. I am lucky. And I like to put an exclamation mark because I'm lucky to be your teacher. And now when I'm done, there's something I can do. I can save my awesome rainbow into my photos. I'm going to click on these 3 lines, and this one says download. When I tap that, if you notice, my screen changed a little bit. It happens super fast, so you might not even notice. Then I'm just going to hold my finger right on the screen, and now I have my rainbow, and it says add to photos. So I'm going to click that. And I want to say, okay, add it into my photos. That means I can save it forever. When I go back here, and I find my Photos app and I open it up, then I can see that my rainbow is right down there at the bottom. Have fun with AutoDraw.